if for some reason something happens and you log in and you make a change that you don't like, or you do something bad to your site, you can always restore a backup. As far as somebody hacking, that's very not likely to happen. Flywheel is very good about protecting your sites, and that's one of the reasons why we love them so much. We've never had an incident where that has happened. But you know that your site's being backed up every night. You can always log into Flywheel. You can click on backups and you can see all of the backups. So if I wanted to restore last night's backup, I just go to the very right. I hover over the little dots here and I hit restore. So all of the changes that I made on the site today will be replaced by a version of the site that was backed up the night before. If I wanted to back up from the week before, I could as well. So you can just go here and see the backups, and you can restore at any point. You can create a new backup by clicking this button if you want to go ahead and make some changes to your site. But before that, you want to make sure that the current version is saved. You can click that button and it happens within seconds. So this is how to restore a backup.